There are infinite qualities. Hari Anant, Hari Katha Ananta. There is no limit to this much qualities is there. The way Bhagwan Ram had played the role of a brother or of a disciple, of a son, it is an indication of what at least we should try to think and imbibe that. When Sita ji said that I want to go, he didn't say, okay, come on. Because it would have been good for him to say, at least in the forest somebody will give him company. And there he says, see Sita, I won't be there. My father and mother are there. So at times they will remember me. So when they remember me, you can tell something more good. And you will become a support for them. ऐसे बोले भगवान. Lakshman ji comes to him, and there Bhagwan Ram says that Lakshman, 4 brothers are there. 2 are gone. Only 3 are gone rather. And 1 is there. You be here. How much he has respect for the kingdom elders. When Bharatji came in Chitrakoot, and Bharatji was returning, first, see how much Vatsalya he had. His love was such, the very first meeting, when Vasishtha said in the congregation, he said, I can't see anything because when Bharat is sitting here, my intellect doesn't work. Seeing his buddhi and seeing his greatness and depth of his love, I become speechless. So don't ask me to speak when he is there in front of me. And there Bhagwan Ram smiled. And I think he said, जे गुरुपद अम्बुज अनुरागी तीनहु लोकहु ते बड़भागी. Well, first thing I am so delighted, the one who is the lover of the lotus feet of the teacher, he can conquer whole world. He is the most fortunate person on the world. And Bharatji's head was down. And then he says after that, he says that, I left the kingdom because my father said that. I had a lot of regard for my father and dharma. But he saw Bharatji's eyes was wet, head was down. But Tehite adhik tumhar sakocho. He said, more than my father, I will do what you will say, Bharat. And therefore, if Bharat says, return, I will return. And he got up and he spoke something. But he didn't insist in front of Bharatji, not even once. And ultimately when Bharatji got ready also that now, you give me your padukas, I will go back. At that time, he called Bharatji. And he says that, Bharat, when any calamity comes, someone has to bear the brunt. It is easy that you want to be with me or somebody or I should go back. But how much our father did for us? How much our mother did for us? Bharatji was sitting and he said, when anybody hits a sword, tell me which part of the body comes to protect the head? Hand. And hands bears all the brunt to protect the head, to protect the face and the life. He says, we are all one body and you are the hand. You become the hand and just go through it. This is the way he used to explain. He didn't say that I won't come. And he didn't say I am coming also. The dharma aspect practiced with the softness is in Bhagwan Ram.